Suppose if the electron de-excite from higher energy state, higher energy state is n is equal to 2 to infinity, higher energy state to any of the orbit. When I say any of the orbit, let us assume that the excited electron is here. This can fall into n is equal to 3, or it can fall into n is equal to 5, or it can fall into n is equal to 6. So anyways, any state. Then how do we calculate the number of spectral line? So the condition is if the electron de-excite from higher energy state that is represented by n2 to lower energy state. When I say lower energy state, it can be to 1 also. Okay, n1. Then there is a formula, that is the number of spectral lines is equal to n2 minus n1 into n2 minus n1 plus 1, the whole thing divided by 2. What is n2? n2 is the excited state number, and this is n1 is nothing but the lower energy state. So these two formulas you need to be familiar with.